Hey, welcome back to part 2 of the Little Red PC build. To start off this episode, I'm going to address a few of the complications I ran into during this build because unfortunately they were pretty numerous. I'm sending back the Corsair H115i as a set, so all the fans and everything that came with it, those are going back. I'm sending back one of the QL140s because I instead am going to be getting two QL120s for the bottom, and I went ahead and mounted another QL140 to the back side of this case because I found out just recently that that was a thing. So anyways, I'm going to be getting a new Corsair H115i, brand new, not used. I'm never doing that again. I'm getting the two QL120s for the bottom, and everything else is going to be a go. Not sure if you guys saw originally, but I was missing motherboard screws for a while. I misplaced those when I got the Corsair Crystal 280X, and so I went ahead and bought a new kit of motherboard screws, all of the screws I need for this case. So everything else from this point on, when the items come in 2 days, should be going smoothly for me. So without further ado, skip ahead 2 days and get done with this build.
Mama said you're meant to burn as bright as a star among the midnight sky. All the pressure blinded me, but now I see I'm no different from the rest. You said I'd fly away, but my walls have kept me down. Now I'm lost and I'm afraid, and I'm close to hit the ground. You said I'd fly away. You said I'd fly anyway, but I keep on falling.
Guys, without further ado, Little Red is ready to be put into service.
But I keep on We're all searching for that open door. Show me proof that there is something more. I just hope I am okay with the choices I make. Maybe then I'll understand. You said I'd fly away,